What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So the hair that I'm working on today is from RPGHair. This is their tight curly Indian Remy bob lace front wig. The density of this hair is 180, and I believe the length that I got this hair in is a 14-inch. And as far as pricing, you guys, this hair is super affordable. The hair is literally only $137, and you can also get an extra $10 off using my discount code, which is KD10. So the hair in the front that I just sectioned off is what I'll be using for my baby hairs. And I'm just going to go in with my tweezers and I'm just going to pluck some of that hair out. And because I'm going for a super natural look and I just want my wig to look as natural as possible once I lay it down, I'm just going to thin out the edges a bit more. Now I'm just sectioning back off that hair that I previously plucked from my baby hairs, and I'm just going to cut it shorter. Now I'm going in with some mousse. I'm just going to lay the edges of my unit. And now that I'm done with laying the baby hairs on this unit, I'm just going to flip it over on my mannequin head. And I'm just going to be applying some spritz to the lace itself. That way, once I apply the foundation to my lace, it doesn't really get on the hair itself. And I'm using my regular face foundation, and I'm just applying this all over the lace. And like I told you guys before, I don't ever bleach my knots just because I found like the lace does tend to bald a lot faster once you bleach it. So for that reason, I stay away from putting any kind of bleach on my knots. And now I'm just drenching the hair with some water and conditioner. Then I'm just taking my, I don't know the name of this brush, but it's one of those brushes that's specifically made for curly hair. You guys know what I'm talking about. And once I was finished brushing the hair out, I did leave it sitting overnight before I installed it. And you guys, that's pretty much how I would prep my units before I install them. Okay, you guys, so I have my wig here. I did leave the wig sitting overnight. As you guys can see right now, the wig is fully dried, but the curls still look really like wet and wavy, and I'm really liking this look right now. Now I'm just gonna try it and make sure it fits right. This wig is cute. What? Guys, look how this wig is just like sitting on my head, like literally. The only thing I probably would have to like hold down is the little, and I'm gonna use the Gatsby Blasting Free spray just to hold down the lace in the front. Look at that, y'all. Like, this shit looks like it's literally growing from my scalp. And usually I don't even gas myself up like this, but like, So alright you guys, this is pretty much the wig once I'm done laying it down, you know, laying the baby hairs. You guys, this wig is so realistic looking. Like, this looks like it's literally growing from my scalp. Wig is so soft. I really like that. Honestly, if anyone was to ask, sis, is that your hair? Yep, it's all me. Another thing that I really love about this wig is the curl pattern, and the curls are so cute. I really love it. I think I did review a wig similar to this one recently, but I feel like this one is just, I love it. And also this wig would be a really cute back to school wig. You know, if you just want something cute and quick to put on in the morning, you don't want to comb your hair, you just want to throw something on your head and go out the door, this wig would be that wig, because all you gotta do is lay it down and go. So the first style that I'll be showing you guys is a half up, half down. This should be enough for my half up, half down. And then I'm gonna take some mousse. Just gonna drop some of that right here. And then you can either, I'm gonna use my toothbrush. And I'm just gonna slick up right here. This style, you are gonna need a little scrunchie. So another way that you can style this hair in a half up, half down is just doing a cute little bun with the hair on the top. So you're just gonna grab all the hair that's on the top. I would suggest taking your comb and just scrunching it down. And I'm just gonna wrap it into a cute little bun. So that's about it on this hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I will have all the details listed down below in the description bar for you guys. Also, I do have a discount code for RPG hair. That way you guys can save some money, which will be listed also down below in the description bar. I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know how you guys feel in this wig, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.